Beautiful people, I think I've got a new favourite soup. Starting off, you're going to want 300 grams of button mushrooms, 100 to 150 grams of shiitake, 2 cups of dried soya, 1 cup of peanut butter, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 thumbs of ginger, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of aniseed, teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of vegan chicken stock, a couple of leaves of basil, a scotch bonnet or habanero, as much as you can handle, 2 bell peppers, 3 medium tomatoes, 2 large onions, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'm going to start off by making the broth and boiling the vegetables. I'm just going to pop everything in there except the garlic until that water's nice and flavoured. You'll know when this is ready when the peppers start to lose their vibrant colour. Next, I'm adding all of that into a blender, this time with the garlic. I'm also adding in the herbs and spices at this stage. Now, what I'm doing is essentially making a paste, not forgetting to add the tomato puree in at this phase. And I'm going to blitz that until, like I said, I've got a nice paste. Now, with that remaining broth, I'm going to give it an even more umami kick by rehydrating in there the shiitake mushrooms. Now back to the base, that's nice and pureed. What I'm going to do now is essentially reduce this on a low flame for about half an hour or so, get rid of the moisture, and then I should be left with a nice paste. I'm adding a tiny bit more tomato concentrate in there.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Moving on, the soya chunks. Now what I'm doing here is essentially soaking them, squeezing them out, repeating the process with clean water 2 or 3 times till the water comes out clear. Now back to the paste, as you can see, that's nice and dehydrated and it's all concentrated and it's bursting with flavour. I'm adding in my soya chunks, I'm adding in the shiitakes, and I'm adding in the regular mushrooms as well. At this stage, I'm going to add in 1 cup of peanut butter, and I'm topping that off with the vegetable stock I made earlier. At this point, I'm just going to add some salt and the habanero in there. And I'm going to cover that up. I'm going to place the lid on that, medium to low flame, let it do its thing. Once you can see it's nice and cooked, I'm going to remove the lid, then cook it until the oil floats to the surface. That's how you know it's ready. As you can see, this is an absolutely beautiful dish. Now, I've never had this before in my life. It turned out this is so good. I've always liked peanuts anyway, but this is really good. So I did quite a lot of research on this, and out of all of the recipes online, I've taken out the best bits. I've combined everything to bring you the ultimate internet recipe for this delicious Ghanaian groundnut or peanut soup. It's usually served with fufu. You can some have it with rice. I'm not a fufu expert though, so what can I do? Folks, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment. It's always appreciated. Ciao for now. See you on the next one. And I hope you enjoyed this episode.